If you're constantly uploading videos here on YouTube and you're still struggling to get over 500 views on your videos, then it could simply mean that you are missing out on one of these four things which I'm going to be sharing with you right now. One thing you need to know is that getting views on YouTube here is actually pretty easy, and if you can only pay attention to these four things which I'm going to be sharing with you and not the ones that you're not doing right or the ones that you've not done, and go ahead to fix it, believe me when I say you're going to start getting over 500 1000 views on your videos. So without much being said, let's just get straight into the video. Let me share these tips with you. So the number one thing which could actually be the reason why you are experiencing low views on your channel, especially as a small content creator or as a new YouTuber, is account verification. And when I say account verification, I don't really mean all those YouTube settings that you need to go ahead to fix or constantly uploading videos here. No, account verification is simply verifying your phone number. That is the phone number you use in creating your YouTube channel. And if it's not verified, YouTube is going to, that is the algorithm itself, is going to be considering your account as a bot account, and YouTube never push bot account. That is, if YouTube notice that your account is bot account, they're not going to push it because they'll feel, oh, maybe it's fake account or you just created it for maybe some other purposes here on YouTube. That is why you need to go ahead right now to check if your phone number is actually verified, if your phone number is actually relevant to the YouTube algorithm. And for you to be able to do this, what you just need to do is to go ahead to your Google or your Chrome browser and type YouTube/verify. I'm going to be dropping the right this thing on the screen for us here. Type it and automatically your account is going to show if it is verified or not. And if you do that and your channel or your account is not verified, just go ahead and verify it. And if you're wondering how can I even be able to do this, go ahead to your YouTube Studio desktop version, click on this particular point. I'm going to be displaying it on the screen. Then make sure you turn every single thing here on, and you will see that verification button for you to verify your YouTube channel. It's as simple as this. So make sure you do that, and hopefully your channel is going to start getting views. But if you verified your channel and you're still not getting views, then you need to pay attention to these three other points which I'm going to be sharing with you right now, because they might be the reason why you are not getting views. So the number two thing which could actually be the reason why you are experiencing low views on your channel is valuable content. Are you uploading content that are of value? One thing you need to understand is that if your content is not of value, or you are just randomly uploading videos without even paying attention to who your videos are meant for, or if that video is going to be of any benefit, the YouTube algorithm is not going to push that video. One thing you need to understand is that the algorithm is not going to push out any content that is not of value. This is how YouTube operates. And for those of us that are constantly re-uploading people content or using AI to generate videos, one thing you need to understand today is that YouTube already knows that those contents are not originally yours. So if you are into that kind of niche here on YouTube, whether you are making use of AI to generate some videos, always make sure you add value to that video. Like, try to create originality, because one thing about YouTube is that once YouTube detect that this video less effort was actually put into it, YouTube is not going to push out that video. Any niche at all you want, even if it's a vlog niche, try to make sure that any video you are uploading have value. Any niche at all. So you have to really check out, are my content of value? Who are the people actually watching my videos? What are they going to learn? And one thing that I used to advise people is that once you're done uploading this particular video, the next video that you're going to upload, try to always make the next video much more better than that one. So in general, you have to make sure that your content is of value. Then the number three thing which could actually be the reason why you're experiencing low views on your channel is video optimization. Guys, this particular thing could hinder you a whole lot. That is, you can even be stalked without even knowing if your videos are not properly optimized. you are going to be experiencing low views, back, left, front, and right. So, and if you're wondering how can I even optimize my video, optimizing your video simply means making use of the right keywords in your video titles, your video thumbnail, and your video description, going down to the hashtags and tags. So any video you upload, you have to make sure that you properly optimize it in order for it to get that high visibility and the rest of them. And if you're out there and you don't know how to actually optimize your video, this is a video that you need to go ahead to watch, because I calm down and explain the basic things you need to optimize in a single video. And believe me when I say, from today henceforth, if you can start putting much more effort in optimizing your video titles, your descriptions, and your thumbnail, you're going to see changes. So you have to really make sure that you check out this particular thing and go ahead and fix it. So once you're done with those video optimization, the number 4 thing which you need to pay attention to is, are you making use of all these YouTube inbuilt features like your playlist, your end screen, your YouTube cards, your posting to shorts, and also posting to the community. If you're not doing all these things, you have to make sure that you start doing it in order for you to enjoy their benefits. Playlist is honestly underrated on this app. Like, I keep displaying the amount of views I get from just creating a playlist here on YouTube. So if you are out there, you don't have playlists yet, or maybe you have playlists but you're not using it the right way, I have teach this in so many of my videos. If you're not using these tools the right way, they will not work for you. This is simply how YouTube works. So you have to make sure that in any video you are bringing out here on YouTube, your description is supposed to have a playlist link, your end screen is supposed to have playlist, and your YouTube card is supposed to have playlist. Like, you have to make sure you add playlist to all these YouTube inbuilt features in order for you to see a better result. And I have explained this in these videos. You can actually go back to watch them. So if you're done with that, the next thing that I want you to honestly pay attention to is engagement. Like, YouTube works with engagement. The algorithm itself works with engagement. If you're not engaging with your videos, if you're not engaging on your comment section, it's really going to be affecting your views. Because what a lot of us do here on YouTube is that the minute we just upload video, we just leave it, go ahead and maybe drop the phone and waiting. The minute you're done uploading a particular video, it's always advisable, if you have another channel, log into that channel, go ahead, rewatch that video, use that channel to drop a comment, if possible pin the comment, or use your main channel to drop a comment. And I'm going to be teaching you one beautiful thing today. While dropping a comment, try to make sure that that comment is engaging. And these are some examples on the screen. Like, each time I am done uploading a particular video, if you notice my comment section, you will see that I'm constantly encouraging small channels to gather together and support each other. By doing it this way, those people already knows that each time Princess Chiamaka upload a particular video, she's going to be dropping this kind of comment on her videos. And of course, they're going to benefit from it because they are going to be engaging with other smaller creators. So you could also actually drop another thing, or more like dropping a question, how did you see the video, and the rest of them. And once you're done with doing that, and you have to also make sure that you are engaging with other creators video. Always comment on people posts, comment on people videos, watch videos. Don't just come up here, upload, and once you're done uploading, you've disappeared into thin air. No, you have to engage with your content. If possible sef, take that same video, upload it to short, that is half of the video, and also upload it to your community homepage. By doing it this way, you are more like creating much more awareness about the video you just uploaded. So guys, these are some tips that I believe that if you can actually apply all these tips which I just shared with you right now, your channel is going to take a U-turn and you're going to start experiencing views on your channels. So we're going to be ending this video right now. If you have any question, kindly go down to the comment section and drop it. And if you find this video helpful one way or the other, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this particular video, comment and share, so that this good news can get to a whole lot of small channels out there who are experiencing low views. And once again, bye and see you in my next video.